it up. Locked and ready. Stop!
He's on solid ground.
Welcome to your new home, old timer. It's hazy as a morning window, and the crack's running longer. Glass is still solid though. Hear that? A little hollow thunk. She'll need a new lens before winter. Wow, look at all that rust. Under here. Decades of dust and sun-wrecked foam. Springs are still hanging on though. Right here where the spring perch ties into the frame, you can see how thin it's gotten. That hole started as a stone chip and just kept eating. Listen, it's paper thin. You can stick a finger through it now. The mount's basically floating. If we ever want this truck on the road again, just finished grinding these rails on the old GAZ-51, and you can see the bare steel shining through. Nice and smooth, no more rust ridges. You can still catch the swirl from the flap disc, but it's cool to the touch now.
We're laying down the first coat of anti-rust primer on the GAZ-51's cleaned frame. Keep the nozzle about 6 inches off, nice steady passes, just like this. Overlap the stroke.
Fan overlaps. Dry spots, just that even satin build. Let it flow, keep the distance steady. Rich Army Green, leveled out and ready to cure.
Alright, up you go. Line up the holes. There we are. Let's push and seat. Snug. Looks good.
Starting at 3 o'clock, smooth pull, there's the click. Cross over to 9, click. 12, click. 6, click. 130 and 730, all at 65 foot-pounds. Wheels locked in.
Slow and steady. Let the pad do the work. Now you can see it, that green is waking up. Look at that reflection coming alive like glass on an old soldier. We'll just walk it down.
Look at that shine. You see the whole house like it's in a mirror. Every curve, flawless. 40-something years of dust, gone. Feels brand new, but still has that old soul.
Start the lip over the flange and just walk it along with the plastic tool. You can feel it drop in as the barbs catch. Keep a little tension on the seal with your left hand, like that. Corner is always the tightest part. Just short push.
Pull the front seam right up to the edge, keep tension on it. Smooth that grain out with your thumb, wrap it under, there's the bite strip, slip it in till it clicks. Now draw the back tight. Pull it forward first, keep that weave straight, smooth it back toward the rear bow, right there. Let the clips grab, now stretch to the center, work the wrinkles out nice and even, tuck the corner above the door, use the tool, press it in the... Sliding it in, there, seat it flush, good, first screw. That's snug, last one, and locked in, perfect. You can see the cloth tape has gone dry. That black lead used to have a blue tracer, now it's cracked all the way through, copper's green. This orange one, same story, split right there, even the beige runs under the taper brittle, whole harness.
Feeding the main harness through the firewall grommet, there it goes. Clamp slides over and we'll snug that nut. Okay, loom holds tight to the brace just like the...
Lined up, slide it in until the seals seat, feel the pins, and there it goes. Press the lock, click, solid. Second one, same story, there.
Negative clamp snug straps on. Let's see what we got. 12.64 volts. Perfect. Brand new juice, she's ready. Look at that frame, smooth as glass now. All that rust just a memory. New cross member plates, fresh welds, and those bushings, bright orange, can't miss them. Rear diff looks like it came off the shelf yesterday.
Snug up the top bolt, bottom one, solid. Let's see what it sounds like. Nice and clean, one more. That'll wake up the whole block.
Line it up, and there we go, locked. Same on this side, hook in, snap, solid, good to go.
Getting that mirror finish back. Look at it, you can almost see the whole street in there now. That's the kind of shine this old truck deserves.